See, I was blessed to begin with, destined to win. Success is the best revenge, especially when everybody pod think you're gonna go and get arrested again like most of the rest of your friends. Let the lesson begin, the professor is in and your best to attend. Nobody's perfect, but I'm next to attend. I've been putting work in like Mexican men. I never been to the pin, but I'm not afraid of going. End to end is my moniker, you knowin'. I'm on a roll, and you know there's not a moment that I'm not heroic. Now your mama probably wanna blow him. You can say that I'm well practiced, still got hell when I fell backwards. Smoke a L faster than you can even spell rapper. I'm gonna need help after, cause I'm a weed head. In the Amtrak bathroom dabbing, gotta hit that G-pin whenever we in the middle of traffic traveling. Mailman, but I have my package. I got that itch and a passion for hashing. I cop that quick and I'm hacking, drop that hits like acid stashes. Half my life I spent tagging, then I sacrificed it for rapping. Now I'm grabbing mics without asking, beats blasting like Bin Laden. Feel the agony that I've been having from not having things you've been having. Imagine snatching shit from the cabinet at the Macy's downtown, then dashing. It's the Cape villain that breaks ceilings with paint spilling. I came willing, my name still in them same feelings. My plain brilliance is flame grilling, your face killing ya. Point blank with the bang from my brain cylinders. My dumb puzzles will bum fuzzle your numb scuzzle. I'm Cron Treasley, Ron Weasley's a slum muggle. I rum funnel till drunk chucking up scum puddles. My tongue muscles a gun muzzle that busts puddles. Wait a minute, every day we play to win it, ain't a bit afraid to get my name out. I claim I did a good job. Look, y'all, people wanna say I didn't when I went in at a ton in a gimmick, son. You better be the first to back up or to dig. You're gonna learn about the word disaster. So high I'm like Earth and NASA, run shit like a purse snatcher to deter the capture. I'm at the finish line winning with a ribbon, getting my way of sitting bitchin'. How you didn't wizard with the words, flip a bird with a sentence. If you want a record, then refer to the Guinness. On the verge of a chemist, so I'll merge all the different elements that you heard when it's finished. I'm a terrible tenant with no limit to error, don't experiment with him. How many words in a minute could he fit in? You might discern I'm a menace to the system, throwing house parties when I'm served in eviction, celebrating the return of a mission. I got a 30 pack that I jacked in a hurry, back to the party with a stash of the furry weed. Now I'm feeling mad as a Jerry Fury. I forgot a packet of curry. My priorities is twisted, only can afford the things that's simplistic. Gotta get all you need right now, cause when you're old you won't be ambitious. Don't waste time trying to make wishes, invest wise and line some bank interest. Yeah, that's what they told me to do, but I told them fuck you and mind your own business. Gotta put good food in my system, hit some good goo, then I'm sipping on some good brew, then I'm drifting. Listen, good fools, I've been slipping, I've been hooked to this addiction. I've been booked through and convicted. It's not a good look when you look like this, son. On a mission to get my ends up, then some since one. It's the Cape villain that breaks ceilings with paint spilling. I came willing, my name still in them same feelings. My plain brilliance is flame grilling, your face killing ya. Point blank with the bang from my brain cylinders. My dumb puzzles will bum fuzzle your numb skulls.